Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Flip, and let me share with you how to show the battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find notifications and status bar. Let's tap on it. Here we have to enter the status bar icons, and as you can see here we've got the battery percentage. So let's tap on it, and in this device we've got 4 different options which are either connected to the battery percentage or the battery icon itself, because as you can see you can choose don't display battery percentage, display inside the battery icon, which is currently applied in my case. You can display it outside the battery icon, which means that it will be much more visible, or you don't display battery icon at all, so you do not display the percentage and the battery icon. It's totally up to you which option you prefer to use. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.